Mastering non-defining relative clauses with which. Hello, dear language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deeper into intermediate English grammar, specifically focusing on non-defining relative clauses. And our star player for the day is the relative pronoun, which, when referring to things. Let's start our journey to become proficient in constructing sentences with non-defining relative clauses. So, what are non-defining relative clauses? Well, these are clauses that add extra information to the sentence, but their removal won't change the sentence's overall meaning. They are usually separated by commas in a sentence. In our case, we are using the word which as the relative pronoun for these clauses. Let's take an example. The book, which is on the table, is mine. Here, which is on the table, is our non-defining relative clause. The main message, the book is mine, remains intact even if we remove it. Now, let's move to our main topic. Using which in non-defining relative clauses. The word which can refer to a whole clause or a noun in the main clause and is mainly used to describe things. Here's an example for you. She didn't reply to my email, which was surprising. In this sentence, the clause, which was surprising, refers to the entire situation or action of, she didn't reply to my email. The clause provides extra information but isn't necessary for the main point of the sentence. Now that we understand how to use which in non-defining relative clauses, it's time for you to practice. Try to create sentences using which, as we have explained. Here are some starters for you. 1. I love reading books. Blank. 2. She always carries an umbrella. Blank. 3. My dog loves to play fetch. Blank. Fill in the blanks with your own non-defining relative clauses using which. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use which in non-defining relative clauses. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language concept. So keep practicing these sentences. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring the beautiful world of English with us. See you in our next lesson.